Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a 12 by 12 acrylic on canvas called Calabasas, and that's the base coat. I actually used, instead of Artist Loft white, I used some golden titanium white by Golden Fluid, and then the colors that I lay down are phthalo turquoise, Prussian blue, and Nicolazo gold, also by Golden Fluid acrylic, and I mixed those with some floetrol and liquatex pouring medium. So I'll put some recipes on the bottom, and then I played with it on top with some cloud mix and some Deco Art 24 karat gold and some Deco Art garnet, and just kind of watched the magic happen with the pillowing and the pearls, and I hope you like it. I'm just gonna let you watch, and have a beautiful, beautiful day wherever you're watching from. I hope you're taking great care, and I'll be back soon. All right, thanks for all the support, you guys. Stay tuned at the end of the video. I'll show you some dried and staged results of this little painting, and it'll also be for sale on my website. All right, take care, bye.